Now imagine for a second that you're going to be able to easily do your own sherbet from the comfort of your household using the 3-in-1 juicer machine with a special adapter that you add to that. Of course, this one comes in the set and we're going to show you how to make it easily. You're going to be able to freeze up your fruits or eventually buy the frozen fruits already from any brand that you want. So I asked my daughter what type of flavor she would love to do. So which one is it?
Mango.
Mango. I have the peach and mango right here. We're gonna start with the mango. Right. So we're gonna open the pack. The fruits inside are frozen, actually with a lot of ice also inside. That we're gonna add to the upper compartment of that. Correct. Now, of course, the magic will start as soon as we're gonna push on the on button for that. And I want you to see that the magic is happening on this side. We're literally getting that sherbet out. Oh, wow. This one is really long. This is really satisfying to watch. Woo! Look at that, right? Are you ready for an explosion in your mouth of sherbet? Of course. Now take a look at that. Right here we have mango sherbet. We actually may easily mix it with that, but we're gonna go straight, right? Only with this one. So we're gonna take a nice jar for that, a scoop in order to make a nice shape out of it, and then just scoop it right here. For the blend, I would love to add some lemon juice. You want a little bit lemon juice on top? All right, that's gonna spice up that mango's
Best combo.
best combo ever. So here you go. You're gonna be the taster of this masterpiece, and let me know what you think. It's pretty good, right? I'm telling you guys, if you want to make your own sherbet at home, then you should definitely have to consider a masterpiece like this one. We have a 3-in-1 juicer that makes juice, makes nut milk, and of course makes sherbet. Now the flavor depends on your taste. Right now we have mango. For myself, I'm gonna make peach, but my daughter definitely loves this flavor, right? Definitely a recommendation from me and my daughter. My name is Andre, this is my daughter Tatiana, and together we absolutely approve this message. Can I have some? All right, let me have it. Mm.